Imagine walking into a forest filled with the sound of birds, the rustle of leaves, and the sight of animals and plants living together. Now, imagine all of that disappear. This is what happens when deforestation takes place. Deforestation is a large-scale cutting down of trees, often to make way for farming, urban growth, or industries. While it might seem like just the removal of trees, the truth is much bigger. Deforestation destroys entire habitat, pushing animals and plants towards extinction. Deforestation will also affect our biodiversity. But before we dive into its effects, what is biodiversity itself?
Biodiversity is the variety of life forms on Earth, encompassing genetic diversities within species, the variety of species, and the variety of ecosystems like forests and oceans where they live.
Today, let's explore how deforestation isn't just about losing trees, but also losing life itself.
Deforestation causes many animals to lose their homes. Forests give shelter, food, and a safe place for animals to live and reproduce. When trees are cut down, animals suddenly have no place to stay. For example, tigers need large forest areas to hunt, while birds need tall trees to build their nests. Without forests, animals cannot find enough food or protection, and their number begins to drop. Some may even be extinct. Another effect of deforestation is the disruption of food change. In the forest, plants and animals are connected. If fruit trees are destroyed, animals such as birds, bats, and monkeys cannot find food. When those animals decreases, predators like eagles, snakes, or leopards that depend on them will also struggle. This creates a chain of reaction. For instance, if insects loses the plants they feed on, frogs that eat insects will decrease. And then snakes that eat frogs will also be affected. Step by step, the whole ecosystem becomes imbalanced.
The third effect of deforestation is reduced genetic diversity. Lost forests mean vanishing plants and animals. One study found that over one-third of tree species globally are threatened with extinction. That's nearly 38% of them. Imagine, every time a tree species disappears, it's like deleting essential files from Earth's own core. Ecosystems get fragile, unpredictable, and much more prone to crashing. Not only that, with fewer species surviving, ecosystems become much more unbalanced and severely weakened. This makes them much more prone to diseases, pests, and even climate stress. Biodiversity is like your immune system. The diversity of life keeps everything healthy and resilient. Without it, we're on nature's ICU. The fourth effect is soil health, where it could turn from wonder to wasteland. As we know, forests are the guardians of our soils. Roots hold the ground and leaf litter nourishes it. Research shows that cleaning forests in places like Sumatra destroys fertile topsoil and disrupts microbes essential for nutrient cycling. Soil becomes compacted, less porous, and less fertile. Additionally, the disruption of soil's microbes shifts in the community in damaging ways. Some microbes thrive, others vanish, threatening ecosystem services. To conclude, deforestation isn't just about losing trees. It's about losing life, balance, and our own future. Protect forests, protect biodiversity to protect ourselves. Because once the last